In this video, I will show you how to download and install Ardour in Windows 11. If you want to download and install Ardour without any error, watch this video till end. Firstly, you need to open any browser. Here I am opening Google Chrome. After opening any browser, you have to search Ardour. When you search, then press enter. After searching, here you'll find Ardour free and open source digital audio workstation. Click this link. When you click this link, here you'll reach feature download what is new in this version, learn FAQ community. You have to click download. When you click download, here you'll find ready to run program. Click this option. When you click this option, here you'll find Windows operating system. You have to choose Windows operating system. When you choose Windows operating system, you have to click download Ardour 8.12 for Windows 64-bit. Click this option. When you click here, you can see get Ardour 8.12 for Windows 64-bit. Ardour is paid software. Pay one time, download demo. You have to click download demo because when you click pay one time, you have to pay US $45. But when you click download demo, you do not have to pay any amount. Then click download Ardour 8.12 for Windows 64-bit. Then click download. Here you have to choose download folder. Then click save. And our file is downloading. We have to wait for some time. Then we will install it. And we have just downloaded Ardour. Let's install it. For installing, open File Explorer. After opening File Explorer, you have to go download folder. When you go download folder, here you'll find Ardour. You have to click right, then click open. After clicking open, you have to click more info, then run anyway. Then yes. You have to click I agree, then next, then install. And our file is installing. We have to wait for some time, then we will use it. And when you click finish, we have just downloaded Ardour. When you search in search bar Ardour, here you can find. You have to click open to open it. When you click open, the software will open. And our software is opening. I hope this video help you. Now you can use it. If you have any query, ask in comment box.